Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change SIM1 message tone in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see below this sounds and vibration, okay, click this. And okay guys, you all have to do is scroll down and go to SIM1 message tones, okay, click SIM1 message tone. And okay guys, here in SIM1 message tone, there are option here of tones, okay, scroll down for more. And okay, I changed my SIM1 message tone, so okay, the SIM1 message tone of my Oppo A5s was changed. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.